Alright guys, so I used my jump box to bring the vehicle in. We need to move forward. There we go. Now I'm gonna put it in park, shut it off. Nothing. Then I charge it for about an hour and use this scanner to test the battery, and it says abnormal charging current detected. Replace the battery. Alright, let's go ahead and replace it really quick. I got my 10 mil. Remove the negative first. Always negative when you remove the battery. Then positive. Then I got 12 millimeter and 6-inch extension. Alright, this one's pretty heavy. Okay, so here is the new battery, and here is the part number right here. It's gonna go this way. Oh boy. Okay, you're not supposed to be there. Later you will. What is this? It's just water. Alright. You stay here and behave. Okay. Alright, oops. Huh. Alright, this is kind of confusing. This one's supposed to be red, but oh, okay, it's just a cover. Then there's a red one here, which is the positive, and you install the positive first. Make sure it's tight. Yep, it's tight. Then the negative. Okay. All right, it's pretty tight. Now let's go ahead and start the engine. There you go. And it is 6:07, which is the right time. I'm supposed to get out. Okay. Yeah, it is evening. Monday, January 5th, which is the right date, and 6:08 p.m. This is a brand new car, has only 13 miles in it, so I don't know, maybe set to random station. Here we go. Oh, I can't play that. All right, so this is auto, still auto down, auto up, auto down, and auto up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.